Okay, today I'm going to show you my minimalist carry as a photographer and content creator. When I say minimalist, it's minimalist. Many times I'm gonna go traveling or I'm gonna be around and I'm gonna take my camera bag. But when I want to be exploring the city, the town, or whatever I'm gonna be, or just passing the day somewhere, and I don't wanna carry my whole camera bag, or maybe I'm lazy, because many times that happens when you have a very big camera bag with a lot of gear, you are more lazy to take it with you. But if you have something like this, very compact and very light, you're gonna be able to take your camera everywhere with you, and it's way better to create content and take more photos. So everything I'm gonna show you is designed to save a space in your little sling or bag of your choice, and also weight. So starting from my bag of choice is this sling from Wonder. This one is 6 liters, and for me it's perfect size, because there is a smaller, but it's not enough for me, and there is bigger, and we always want bigger, but then what's the point? Because for that, you end up taking your camera bag. So for me, 6 liters is perfect, and you can fit already a lot and more than enough to create content or take photos. So on this one, it's very good because you can attach the tripod underneath this bag, which is very easily attached, or you can attach a water bottle. Or otherwise, you can attach the water bottle underneath and then attach the tripod on the front. And then in the inside, you have a lot of pockets for your batteries, for your SD cards. And what I love about this is that it has 2 dividers. You can put as well a laptop in the bag, up to 16 inches laptop. So many times I'm gonna carry it with me, but I doubt it. When I wanna go light, I wanna go light, you know, and then I can edit at home. I don't need to carry my laptop. But for example, if I go to a coffee shop, I would be happy to carry my laptop in this when I don't wanna carry a backpack. So me personally, how I'm gonna use this bag. So my gear of choice, it's gonna be this Sony a7C, which I love, because it's tiny and for vlogging it's perfect. For pictures it's very good as well when I don't want to take my other camera I'm recording with right now, which is my new Sony a7R5. I'm very happy with, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be carrying this one for every day. Just one camera, vlogging camera for pictures and photos. With the Tamron 17-28mm, I'm in love with this lens because for vlogging it's perfect and it's very light. And the quality is insane of this lens. So I'm very happy with it, so I can carry this, and because I want to have versatility on my shots, what I'm gonna do is when I'm taking the Sony a7C with this lens, because it's very tiny, I'm gonna be able to put my drone in this bag as well, and the remote. So in this bag, I'm gonna carry a camera for photos, for vlogging, and drone shots. This is the DJI Mini 2. I love this drone because it's very tiny, it fits everywhere. I would love to have the Mini 3 Pro because it's gonna help me a lot with my content, because I'm a solo content creator and that one tracks you, so it follows me. This one doesn't have the option. So I would love to have the other one, but I bought this one right before the other one came out. So it's fine, I'm gonna be creating content with this one. But this is an advantage for you guys if you are thinking about having a minimal kit, because it's very light and very tiny. What's gonna happen is whenever I'm gonna take my other Sony, this is something I'm gonna do, I'm gonna explain why. I'm gonna take my Sony a7R5 whenever I'm gonna go for photos more than for video. Because with that camera, with the Sony a7R5, I'm gonna vlog perfectly, even better sometimes, and then I'm gonna take better photos. But when I care about going light, I'm gonna take the Sony a7C. I'm talking now about the mic, because I'm missing the mic to record my content. I do have a few, and many times I'm gonna carry this one, because it's very tiny. It's a lavalier mic, it's the wireless Go from Rode. But I bought a new one not long ago, and I'm gonna tell you why in a bit, I love it. Is this one, the Rode Mini 2. I bought it obviously because it's very tiny, but there is something I love about this mic that this doesn't have, and the Video Mic Pro Plus I already have doesn't have, is that this one works without batteries. You're never gonna run out of batteries because it works with the camera. So for me this is gold because I don't have to worry about the batteries of this one. With this one I had to be careful, and the other one as well, and this one is very tiny, compact, and battery free. So we have the camera, we have the mics, we have the drone, we have the bag. The next thing I'm gonna talk about, and if you follow my channel, you know I love this thing I'm gonna show you, is the tripod. I discovered this tripod time ago, and this is the lightest tripod I've ever owned. It's just a little bit over a kilo, it's carbon fiber, and the load capacity is up to 8 kilos. So this is the only tripod I'm gonna take with me. I own more tripods, obviously, they're gonna stay in the studio. I'm gonna travel just with this because it's super light and super easy to set up. Again, I'm a solo creator and a solo traveler, so I'm gonna need to set up quick to be able to record myself for the videos or to take pictures or whatever it is. So this one is very easy to set up and super light. I do have a video dedicated to this tripod only, so go check it out later if you want to learn more, but I would die for this tripod. I have many and this is the only one I'm gonna be taking with me because it's just super easy to carry and super light. And the next product I'm gonna be talking about is not that related to photography gear, but it's something I carry with me everywhere I go, regardless of where I'm going. And I'm almost 100% sure that you carry some with you as well, and that are headphones. So these ones are new and from SoundCore by Anchor, which are sponsoring today's video. I've been using them for years already because they are industry leading in noise cancelling headphones. These ones are the Liberty 4 noise cancelling. They've just released them and they are so beautiful, the case, the headphones and everything. But what I like about them is that they cancel the sound up to 98.5%. That's insane when you are talking about little headphones. They have real-time calculation, so with their adaptive ANC 2.0, detects the noise around you constantly and it creates new sound filter waves. So this is very good because we all have different ear canal shapes, so they adapt. I've been trying them already for a few weeks and the quality is insane. They actually have a high-resolution wireless certification, and the best part as well, a part of the noise cancelling, is that you have 10 hours of playtime and then you have another 50 extra when using the case. But the charging time is crazy because if you charge them with the case 10 minutes, you have already another extra 4 hours. And they are very comfortable to the ears. For me, this is always a problem, and with them, I didn't have any problem. So you're gonna have all the links below to all of this anyway. Thank you so much, SoundCore, for sponsoring today's video because I've been using their products for a while already, years, and you saw me probably with some headphones I have from them because they're insane, they have good noise cancelling as well. But for obvious reasons, I'm gonna take this with me. They are super tiny, so I'm very happy with them. Then, obviously, as an everyday carry, I had to sew this, but I'm embarrassed a little bit. Not embarrassed, I'm actually proud I lasted so long with this, but it's my phone. And this, the iPhone 10. And I know it's fine, but everyone is like, Laura, what are you doing with an iPhone 10? Like it's vintage already, you know, considering now it's the 14, right? And the 15 is coming already this year. So probably I'm gonna wait till September and check if I'm gonna take the 14 or the 15, but I'm gonna take the Pro version, that's for sure. Why? I'm a content creator and I don't do too much short form content, and that's a crime nowadays, apparently. So I do TikTok, but normally there I put like snippets of my YouTube videos. But when I start to create YouTube shorts, TikToks as well, more like blogging, but teaching photography as well. So I wanna do that with my phone because it's gonna be easier and quicker, and the iPhone 14 Pro or 15 Pro, whichever it's gonna be incredible. And that's what I'm gonna carry with me. Obviously my wallet as well, my passport, blah, blah, blah. But in terms of gear, to create content and take photos, that's it. One versatile lens with a camera, my tiny drone, my tiny mic, the headphones always with me, and the phone to create short-form content as well, and this tiny bag, which I'm loving and is super comfortable to carry. You're gonna have all the links below to everything I mentioned if you want to check them out. Again, always ask if you have any questions in particular because I always try to reply every comment. Sometimes I take longer. Lately, it's taking me way longer. I'm so sorry about that. I'm super busy and it's very hard to keep up with all the comments, but I always try to reply even if it's a bit later. So if you're patient, I will reply, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and I will see you in the next one. Big love.